What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our shop here at 88 Rotors. I know you guys have been used to seeing all the trucks on this channel, but I think throwing in a car here or there won't hurt. Today's video is going to be on this 2018 Dodge Charger SRT. This is a 392 edition. We're going to be installing a set of BC Racing coilovers on here. Yes, we are an authorized dealer for BC, so if you need a set, let us know. We welcome both wholesale and retail customers. You can reach us by phone during regular business hours or email us anytime 24/7 at sales@88rotors.com. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please click on that thumbs up. Our techs here are removing the factory suspension components to install the new BC Racing Type BR coilovers. The BC Racing BR series come with a 12K front and 14K rear spring rate. These are fully customizable depending on your liking and can be built to order with the proper valving for them. These are fully ride height adjustable and come with 30 levels of dampening adjustability. If you want a set for your Charger, please reach out to us. We'll definitely give you the best price possible on all BC Racing products. Like what you see here, but want to see more? Follow us on Instagram at 88 Rotors. So what do you guys think? Do you guys want to see more cars on this channel? If you do, drop a comment down below and let us know. And this pretty much wraps it up for today's charger video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and our channel, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure.